Let's see what Giuseppe's up to today. We got some crap weather, so he's probably outside cleaning up. Here he is. Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I'm going to get a 46 Willys plow truck running because we got to plow a little bit.
You're going to plow this crap?
I'm going to plow all this snow. Right there. I'm just getting some gas in it.
This stuff makes me sick. You know that? All right, go ahead. You like it, you said.
I love it.
You love snow? Why? What makes you like it so much?
Plowing. That's
plowing with the war wagon.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. All right. What's the matter? Why don't you, the gas tank that's in it doesn't work, huh?
Nah, it's not.
Yeah. It's dirty. That's all it is.
Yeah, it's dirty.
One day at a time. That's all. That's all. How'd you rig it up?
Well, it was here. I'll put it over here. Open the door. This is actually Jeep. This is not supposed to have this, but for the snow,
Gets the job done.
gets the job. Put it over here.
This thing's nice, bro.
Ledge.
You know how many girls you're going to pick up with this tank? Well, they're probably lined up waiting for you.
Yeah.
Here, go ahead. Let me get a shot of it. Hey, it starts up every time and it pushes snow. It's been like at least 10 years. Go ahead, give it a shot. How do you have it rigged up?
Well, it's actually hydraulic. This is...
It's got the old hydraulic plow setup. It's not electric at all.
No, it's all hydraulic, but...
So we got the tank here, but what sucks the gas out?
This right here.
How do you get the tank, the gas from the front,
Fuel
you know?
pump.
You put an electric fuel pump too?
Yeah.
This thing ain't gonna start.
Yeah, it will.
You think it will? Shit, you said it did. It was gonna, but...
What did I say?
It starts. Let's see, pick up the plow. I would shut the choke off a little bit. More. Give it gas, give it gas, give it gas. There you go. Shut it more. There you go. Nice, bro. Go ahead, move it up. Let's see how it... Get it out of this hole. Go ahead. There we go. Wow, bro.
Now,
Let it warm up a little.
Just got home from Illinois, locked the front door, oh boy. Got to sit down, take a rest on the porch. Imagination sets in, pretty soon I'm singing. Looking out my back door. It's giants doing cartwheels, statue wearing high heels. Look at all the happy creatures dancing on the lawn. Dinosaur controller, listening to Buck Owens. Looking out my back door. Tambourines and elephants are playing in the band. Won't you take a ride on the flying spoon? One less apparition provided by magician. Looking out my back door. Tambourines and elephants are playing in the band. Won't you take a ride on the flying spoon? Bother me tomorrow, the day I'll buy no sorrows. Looking out my back door.
never gives up, baby.
Never gives up, huh? All right, you putting it away?
I'm putting it away.
Yo, let me ask you, how you reaching the pedals?
Good old peak.
What? You got a peak bottle back there? You're crazy. All right. Later.